This Instagram account currently has a little over 700 followers, and if I refresh the page, as you can see, the followers remains the same. I'm going to go to the About section to find the username, and I will show you how to get free followers on any Instagram account. After a few minutes, I'm going to come back to the Instagram account to refresh it again. And as you can see right here, this account has got an extra 5,000 free followers, and I will show you how to do it. Open your browser and go to gemtosa.com like this. Once you do that, it will bring you to this page. Just scroll down to the very bottom of the page until you find the Instagram followers mod, then you want to click on it. As you can see, this is an event that has been giving users up to 69,000 free Instagram followers. Enter your Instagram username in this box and click on the button below. And just like that, this event will look for your Instagram account and bind free followers to your account every time. And once the binding process is complete, make sure to click on the Claim Now button to receive the followers instantly to your Instagram account.